Hi guys, Nicole Peterson again. I have another new product to show you that we just developed that's been in the making. This is called our stamp scrubber, okay? This is gonna be your new best buddy. So I have stamped this stamp here with black hybrid ink, and notice my Misty is dirty also. In here I just have soap and water. So this is the Blue Dawn dishwashing soap and water. And what it'll do is I can come in here and clean all these little crevices. It'll clean off the Misty. And you know, Blue Dawn is a safe, if you can use it on your hands to wash your dishes, it is absolutely safe. Now, I'm just using soap here, soap and water. So here I always have two of these. Now this one is just water. So I can So when you have a really dirty stamp like this and a lot of the soap came off, you can just take it and rub all that soapy water off. And you're all good. You can see that you have a mighty nice clean stamp. Now it might look like it still has some ink on it. Actually, it has some paper glaze on the back of it that I put on it, but it'll scrub it off. Also, the stamp scrubber is also good when you have brand new stamps that have never been stamped before. You can actually use it to wipe off any residue that might be on a brand new stamp.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.